Before using KMT Link, the first thing we need to do is to prepare an Excel database. For this example, we will use Google Sheets. It is free, and we can share the project program file easily with anyone. The first step is to normalize the project program data. Our project program example contains a column called quantities. The goal is to duplicate the project program rows using the values from quantities column. We will do that using a script. You can find the script in the video description. The idea of the script is pretty easy and straight. We need to add the column number and column name to the script in order to make it work. Let's start. First, in my project program sheet, I will duplicate the original project program sheet. Next, I will go for Tools menu, then Script Editor option. A new page will open where I can add the script. Here I added the column number, which is 3, then the column name, which is D. The next step is to run this script by hitting the button Run. Now I will open the Google Sheet. I will see that rows are duplicated using the cell values from column D. Now, my project program is ready. It is duplicated. The next step is to add a unique